Good evening. This is Eric Holodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Thursday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. And for its worth, if you remember last year, I had the green top hat. My friend forgot to bring it in this year, so we'll just have to settle on the green shirt for anyone who remembers last year's speech, or video speech, that is. Today the Dow was ahead 161 points, closing 11,775. The NASDAQ was up 19 points, closing at 2636. That was a pretty decent day all around. There was nothing of consequence that happened in Japan overnight that would affect our markets, so we had a little bit of a short covering pocket, particularly ahead of options expiration tomorrow. Economic data didn't dissuade one way or another. So combined with the fact that there was tension going on in Libya once again, so oil shot up, and that led to oil stocks shooting up, and it underlied some strength for the overall market. What's a little worrisome, though, is that the NASDAQ, even though it did finish up 0.75%, closed actually near a low. So for tomorrow, probably going to be very, very choppy, a little quieter than today, I'm going to guess, especially if it's a Friday, and it's supposed to be nice in New York. But very choppy ahead of options expiration, and once again, likely very headline-driven. A few things to look at. On the positive side, INTU announced decent earnings guidance after the bell. JVA and FTK closed near their highs, posting good earnings. CVS was featured on Fast Money tonight, and GLNG closed near a high. On the negative side, NKE posted very bad earnings after the bell tonight. AFFY and PLX are doing share offerings. LDK initially traded higher, but its too is negative on earnings. Hopefully those of you stuck around did the LDK trade. CCJ and AMZN closed near a low. GES, that is, closed near a low after posting awful earnings. And SANM closed near a low after posting pretty bad earnings estimates. And no major earnings out of consequence in the morning. So with that, I wish all of you a good night, and good trading tomorrow.